I've written another library which was inspired by my Safe Array library, but for arrays in flash memory. It is a wrapper for these read-only arrays, so you can use them more easily. If you want to download it, the link is in the description of the video. It's called Safe Array ROM to differentiate it from my Safe Array library, as ROM means read-only memory. Let's have a look at the example program included in the library. I have two arrays using the PROGMEM keyword. There is a global array and one in the setup function to remind you how to do them, as one in the setup function needs the static keyword. I make two objects that use the makeSafeArray helper function and the auto keyword to make it simpler, although if you are familiar with templates you can use angle brackets if you wish, as is described in the comments of the program. The helper function was created so you don't have to use the angle brackets. These objects are a wrapper for the arrays and calculates how many elements are in the array. Here you can print out the contents of the array like this, using the square brackets if you wish, but of course you can only read the contents of the array as it's in flash memory. You can also use a get keyword instead of the square brackets. Notice you can get the length of the array, which I have used in the for loop. This prints out the numbers in the array like this. Here's another way of iterating through the array using a range-based for loop. I like to use the auto keyword instead of writing int, long, double, etc., which you can do if you wish. You cannot use the ampersand in the for loop with the variable, as the array is read-only. This prints out the numbers in the second array, which is an array of long numbers. Here I show you the use of the get function. I deliberately put a +5 in the for loop to try to read beyond the array and into invalid memory. In the get function, I put in the number -1, so when the loop is supplied with an invalid index, the function returns the -1 instead of unknown data, which would have happened if I accidentally read data beyond the array. This prints out the numbers in the array and the -1 values when the index is invalid. This is a simple library just to help you use arrays in flash memory, as it negates the requirement for knowing how many elements are there in the array and allowing simple access to the elements. I may add to the library in the future, but for now, thank you for watching.